Welcome to the @Realty Property Market Update for August 2021. It's been a record quarter for selling for @Realty agents across the country with 1,226 sales, an increase of 176 more sales from the previous quarter. Overall, across Australia, prices continue to rise, search volumes remain strong, and properties continue to sell in record time as sales activity by @Realty agents move from strength to strength. July saw the busiest quarter for auctions across Australia since December of 2017, with 32,000 capital city auctions held over the quarter. However, we expect to see a reduction in August in New South Wales as lockdowns restrict auction activity. Overall, the lockdowns in New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia have only had a minimal impact on the quieter winter housing market. According to realestate.com.au, if we use Melbourne as an example, the brakes might be put on Sydney over August until lockdowns are lifted. But a strong recovery run could start in September if lockdowns end, making up for lost time as a large number of buyers will be ready from the pent-up demand. The recovery in Melbourne was so strong after the lockdowns that the median house price is now over $1 million. That's a 16% increase over the past year. According to realestate.com.au, property email inquiries recorded month-to-month declines from July to August and a 4% drop in average views per listing, pointing to some of the heat coming out of the market. As we move into September and August, more properties do come onto the market as vendors try to sell before the Christmas break. So if you are considering selling this year, we'd highly recommend speaking to your local @Realty expert now in August to allow for enough time to prepare your property for sale and enter the market before competition increases towards the end of the year. Westpac have also just increased their price rise predictions for 2021 from 15% to 18%, and NAB have increased theirs from 10% to a whopping 19%, both indicating their confidence in the continued growth of the Australian property market. However, a rise in interest rates in 2021 would greatly affect these predictions. Therefore, if you're considering selling your property, it is recommended to do so now while buyer demand is strong and there's certainty in the market. For a no-obligation conversation about your property, contact your local @Realty expert to give you an in-depth breakdown of your property and how to maximize its value before taking it to market. We hope you found this information useful and look forward to helping you on your property selling journey.